G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate earthquake cookies. Really yummy, and they're so easy to make and look really cool. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get about 225 grams of dark chocolate. Then chuck in 65 grams of butter. Now this is my own homemade butter. If you want to know how to make it, go to my channel and just type in the search bar how to make butter. So we want to put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, give it a stir, then 20-second bursts, give it a stir, 20 seconds, give it a stir. Just be careful that we don't cook it, we just want to melt it. Alright, that's done. Just put this to the side, we'll get on to the next part. Add 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. Add 3/4 of a cup of firmly packed brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now beat this on high speed until it's light and fluffy. Now with the mixer on low, add the melted chocolate. Now add 2/3 of a cup of self-raising flour. We'll turn it up a little bit. Now just put about a tablespoon or 2 worth of the mixture straight on there. Now for these, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, which is 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop them in there for about 15 to 18 minutes because this is going to crack. That's how we're going to get them to be earthquake cookies. Because of the soft mixture, the top will go sort of a bit soft, the top will go a little bit shiny, it will crack like an earthquake in the ground if you were to see cracks. Well, I hope you like these. Yeah. How about this one? Holy everything. This is so good. See you next time for my next earthquake.